Hello everyone. Do you want to quickly see your missing data? The Spotfire Visualize Missing Data Action mode makes it easy for you. It runs a data function to find missing values in rows, columns, and in your whole dataset. Then it creates a clear visuals on a new page to help you understand the gaps. Let's have a look. I have an Airbnb data with more than 75,000 rows. I can spot from here that some of the columns have missing values, like review score and host location. Depending on the amount of missing data, I want to take a specific approach to deal with it. I will go to Files and Data Flyout. I'll click on Add-ons, and I'll make sure I'm logged into my community account. Then I'll select Actions, and I'll click on the three dots on Visualize Missing Data. From here, I can save this action mode as a local file or as a library item and use it later, but I will add it straight to the analysis. Now I can click that little play button and Spotfire will ask me to select the columns or tables of interest. I'll import all my columns. Then I'll just click on Run. The added page contains a KPI chart with computed metrics and 4 bar charts showing attributes of the data's missing values. You can see statistics such as total number of rows and columns in the selected input data, missing values across all data, percentage of missing values relative to the total number of data points, percentage of columns and rows with at least one missing values, and number of columns containing only a single unique value. We can also see 4 bar charts, missing value distribution by row, which shows the frequency of rows with varying percentages of missing values. Each interval here shows the count of rows containing X percentage of missing values. Missing value distribution by column is the same but for columns. Row count per missing value count shows the distribution of rows based on the number of missing values they contain. Each bar represents the count of rows containing N missing values. And breakdown of missing values by column, which shows the distribution of rows based on the number of missing values they contain. Each bar represents the count of rows containing N missing values. If you want to connect the results from the action to another visualization and use the marking to control which data to analyze, you can edit the data function from the data canvas. I'll just go to my data canvas, click on the data function, and click on this Settings Edit Function button, and I can select Limit by marking. Keep in mind that same output is available but without the visualizations through the Missing Data Summary data function. I'll just go to my Analytics flyout and select Missing Data Summary. I'll then select the whole data table, click OK, and the output that I get is 3 new data tables identical to the ones produced from the action mode. And that was it for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next quick tip.